Battery life. 3,000 mAh battery mostly lasts the day. Old-style USB port. No fast charging. That lower res screen has done the Honor 7A something of a favor here, since there are fewer pixels to power. Its battery lasts a little longer than you'd expect if you are used to denser displays. We ran our usual battery test, 90 minutes of full-screen HD video over Wi-Fi, with the screen set to max brightness and accounts syncing in the background. From a full charge, the Honor 7A had 77% of its power left at the end of the test, a loss of 23%. In other words, you could expect to watch at least 5 hours of video before you ran the battery out, even if you were using it for other things too. For comparison, the Moto G5 lost a very similar 22% in this test, while the Nokia 3, 2017, lost just 16%. On the other hand, the Nokia 5, 2017, lost a whopping 37% of its power in this test, and the Alcatel 3 volts lost 35%. So it could be better, but it could also be a lot worse. For daily use, again we found the 7A lasted longer than we anticipated, but part of the reason for that is that due to its lower processing abilities, we weren't actually able to use it for as many tasks as we usually would. For instance, more than once we gave up waiting for the camera app to stop hanging and just didn't take a photo, video, and we mostly avoided intensive gaming after the first few bad experiences. Yes, this means the battery lasts longer, but at the cost of actually using the phone. In fairness, though, the battery does also deplete more slowly than it could given the price. 3,000 mAh is a reasonably generous power pack, and it lasted us all day on most of the days we used it, fairly lightly. Charging it back up again is a slower affair than on most modern phones, due to the old-style micro USB port and lack of any kind of fast charging. Still, if you're the plug it in and leave it all night type, as many people are, you probably won't even notice.